Morning, children. Today we're going to start a new chapter of Beehive. Chapter 8, Reach for the Top. We have two stories here. The first one, part 1, is of Santosh Yadav, summary, and the second part is of Maria Sharapova. First, her life, Santosh's early life. She was born in a small village named Joniavas of Rewari district in Haryana. Her village, birth of a girl child, was not welcomed. Before her birth, a holy man was about to give her mother the blessings of a son, but her grandmother insisted that they wanted a daughter. Santosh is the only sister to her 5 brothers. Her family named her Santosh, as it means contentment, which shows their happiness of her birth. She was not like other village girls in her childhood. She wore shorts, while other girls in her village wore traditional Indian dresses. At 16, most of the girls in her village got married due to the old tradition, but she refused, as she wanted to pursue her studies. Despite being rich, her parents sent her to a village school. She decided to fight herself and to go against the system. She enrolled herself in a Delhi school, going against her parents' wishes. Most of the girls at 16 in the village used to get married. She went to Jaipur for higher studies after completing her schooling. So the first point about her life and education is over. The second point, Santosh's dream of mountaineering. She was in a hostel in Jaipur which faced the Aravalli hills. She used to watch the people climbing the hill. She became very curious and went to meet all those mountaineers. She asked them if she could join them. They agreed and encouraged her to take mountaineering. She entitled in a course at Uttarakhand in Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. And since then, she never looked back. She informed her parents about this and apologized to them for taking admission without their permission. Santosh as a remarkable climber. She went for expedition every year and developed a great resistance to cold and the altitude. Altitude means height. Her determination and strong will powered her a lot. She had great physical stamina and mental toughness, which were most necessary for a great climber. The next fourth point is her dream come true. Conquering Mount Everest is a dream that every climber wishes to complete. She achieved this success in 1992 when she was just 20 years old. She became the youngest woman in the world to climb Mount Everest and became the only woman mountaineer in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. She also saved the life of Mohan Singh, who was her colleague, companion, her fellow climber, by giving her oxygen supply to him. Santosh, as a true environmentalist, she shares her feeling as hoisting the national flag on the top of the world. She says that unfurling Indian tricolor on the Everest was a proud, spiritual, and undescribable moment for her. She collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. That means this shows that how much she was concerned about the environment, polluting the environment, the garbage that was left over by the mountaineers, years and years who came. She collected, she showed her concern for the environment, and she brought 500 kg of garbage. Honor by the Indian government, the last topic. Santosh Yadav was honored with one of the top awards, Padma Shri, in recognition of her achievement by the government of India. The second part of Reach of the Top is another very famous personality, Maria Sharapova. Students, you must have listened about Maria Sharapova in the sports, in context to her contribution towards sports and the game in which she got the highest top position was in lawn tennis. Her high top position in lawn tennis, her training in America, that is the second topic. Maria Sharapova, a teen sensation, attained the number one position in the world's tennis on 22nd August 2005. She took only 4 years to achieve her dream come true. The journey actually started 9 years ago when she was sent to America for training. The second, Maria's training in America. She was born in Siberia, Russia. But Maria's father took her to America for training as a tennis professional. She was separated from her mother almost 2 years when she was not even 10 years. Her father earned as much as he could to keep her tennis training going. She also faced tough times, which made her very strong. Maria felt lonely and missed her mother badly. The other athletes made her tidy up the room and clean it. The tough time made her strong and determined. She also learned how to take care of herself. Her motto was to work hard to fulfill her desire and the desire of her father. Maria lives in America, but she still calls herself a Russian. However, the United States is a big part of her life, but as at heart she is a Russian. She dreams of playing Olympic for Russia if they allow her to play. It clears shows that she is a true patriot. Maria's hobbies and interest. Maria's hobbies are singing and dancing. She reads Arthur Conan Doyle's novels. She has a great sense of fashion, fond of pancakes with chocolates and orange drinks. She finds money as motivation, but she dreams to become number one in the world, and this dream keeps her going. So, these are the two stories of the two personalities.